everybody. Dustin Allman, Farmers Insurance and Financial Solutions. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video here. With myself, I've got Patrick Langhans with Bank of England. As I mentioned in the last video, doing a mini-series called Meet the Professionals. I've done a lot of work with Patrick over the past 3 or 4 years. He's got a great team. Does well with communication, and anyone out there in the home purchasing arena, I would highly recommend to Patrick and his team. So with that, I'll let Patrick introduce himself. Just tell us a little bit about what you do and the process that you take.
Yeah, so we're Bank of England. We're not British, actually. We're out of a small town in Arkansas called England. But they've been around over 100 years. I've been in the business 14 years, and really what we do here is just help people buy homes. So we help with the financing side of that.
Okay, all right. And then I've got, I run into a lot of clients who have questions about renting versus owning, the pros and cons, if you can kind of get into that and how you help your clients overcome some of that.
Yeah, so the main thing we do is just sit people down and show them the numbers. A lot of people, assume they can't buy a house, and in actuality they can. So we do a rent versus own comparison, just show, one, the monthly expense, how much it would cost to actually purchase a home, and then, of course, the best part, how much you can save. So there's other benefits like tax write-offs, if you want a bigger tax return, owning a home, and the big cliche out there is why pay someone else's mortgage by paying rent when you can pay your own.
Sure. Okay. All right. So I also get kickback, or I'm sure you've heard it a number of times. The process can be overwhelming, especially for first-time home buyers.
Yeah.
How do you combat that? How do you help your clients navigate that?
Yeah, so we get a lot of people who are scared to apply, but it's really not a scary process. We're here to give information, and if it works, if you can qualify now, great. If not, then we'll just put you on a plan to qualify, a year down the road. It doesn't matter whether you're looking for a house in the next month or 2 years down the road. We're going to show people what they need to do. And then, if anything, you get a free credit report and some counseling out of it.
Okay, Perfect. All right, so with that, I appreciate you guys taking some time. Next steps, if people are interested or have questions and they do want to set up a time with you or take that journey, what are next steps? What do you recommend moving forward?
Super easy. You can just call us. It's 720-279-8843, 720-279-8843. We'll get a little bit of information and then set up a time to meet.
Perfect. Again, we appreciate your time. We'll see you next time. If you have any comments, please comment below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.